Imagine standing by your window, longing for more birds to visit your garden. What if you could attract them with a simple DIY project? Today we'll show you how to create a bird feeder using common household items. First, let's discuss the benefits. Bird feeders attract a variety of birds, offering you a closer look at these beautiful creatures while helping them find food. It's a win-win. Now, let's get started. You'll need a plastic bottle, wooden spoons, string, scissors, and birdseed. Begin by cleaning the plastic bottle and removing any labels. Next, cut 2 small holes near the bottom of the bottle for inserting the wooden spoons. These will serve as perches and seed dispensers. Insert the wooden spoons through the holes, ensuring they cross inside the bottle. Then make 2 small holes near the top of the bottle and thread a piece of string through them, creating a secure loop for hanging. Fill the bottle with birdseed, using a funnel if necessary to avoid spills. Choose bird seeds suited to your local bird species for the best results. Finally, hang your feeder in a spot that's visible, yet safe from predators, like a tree branch or garden hook. Enjoy watching the birds flock to your new feeder, bringing joy and life to your garden. Happy bird watching!